YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today we're going to be discussing one of the most controversial pieces that recently dropped. Now it was controversial for a couple of things, and I will go into those things as the video continues, but I'm going to be reviewing some pieces here that I got from Revenge. First, we're going to be talking about the basic baby blue tee. I thought this was a pretty cool color. I thought this would be something dope to just have. I need more basics inside of my closet, so I had grabbed this tee. Now, of course, with Revenge's sizing, this shirt doesn't really fit that true to size. I sized up, and my size pretty much fits like the size I wanted it to. And another thing about the tee is there's something that's like weird with like the neck. I don't know, like the neck collar feels a little too fat sometimes, but I just think that's just me. But it kind of reminds me of like, not almost like the Kanye, like the Sunday service merch tees, but it's got like a kind of like a more of like a just like a thicker neck band than usual tees. That was kind of weird to me, but overall it's a thick blank. The embroidery is nice. It's just Revenge on the pocket. It's whatever. I just threw it in the cart because I thought it was something cool. Now the main piece, the main reason why you're here for the video is pretty much the embroidery outline hoodie. Now a lot of people have been, having mixed opinions on this hoodie, like, oh, this shit is basic, they're just selling out now, it's just a waste of time buying this shit and everything like that. But I honestly understand where people are coming from, especially with the price point being $148. Now for a lot of people were thinking that they were going to be $88, just like me. I was one of those people, but I assumed once he started talking, oh, it's fully embroidered, I'm like, of course he's going to try to smack us over the head. We're not getting French terry cotton blanks. We're getting these random basic blanks that you sell to us for $88. Garbage. I'm sorry, garbage. But I just really wish that they would just go back to just using independent. I mean, independent's not the best, but it's not bad, I really miss the old blanks that they were using. A lot of people miss the old blanks that they were using, and a lot of people just feel like anything they put out from now on these new blanks is just gonna be trash, no matter what the design is, no matter what they're putting on there. And I understand that, and I totally feel where they're coming from, especially people that's been like supporting the brand since the beginning or in its like early days. But yeah, let's get into the hoodie, man. Now this hoodie, of course, it was $148. The price was pretty overpriced, and not having no sleeve text or anything like that, no back text, which it's just whatever. But I honestly just didn't feel like paying for no kill hand hoodie and spending like $600 for a hoodie. Like, I just really didn't feel like doing that, so I just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna grab this. It's whatever, it's just something nice to just throw on in there. Now they released a brown colorway, which I thought was pretty nice, pretty decent, and they released a black colorway. Of course they released a black colorway, that's what you're seeing now, and they also released a red colorway, and the red colorway was black and red embroidered, and the rest were white and brown and black and brown. But it's pretty decent. It's a really good embroidered job. I mean, it's just an outline. It's like you can't fuck up an outline. Like, how hard could it be for you to just do like a regular embroidered outline? Now I will say that the hoodie is just like the regular Revenge hoodie. This is not like nothing special. Like with the metallic, at least you're getting the French terry cotton blanks and stuff. Like, you're actually getting what you're paying for, even though that in itself is kind of a little overpriced, when I know there's other places that sell French terry cotton blanks for a cheaper price, or just better hoodies in general for a better price. But overall, I want to say I would pretty much say that this drop was it was alright, it was okay. It was nothing to like lose sleep over, you know. I wouldn't trip over it like that. I just really wanted to just grab the piece just to review it, just to have something in. But this most recent drop I had to skip just due to the fact that I just wasn't feeling a lot of what was just out there. I just couldn't really like force myself to buy. I mean, I've seen a lot of people doing that. I'm not gonna say a lot of people were doing that, but I've seen some people were just like, I'm just gonna buy it just because it's revenge, and that's it. But I kind of like drifted away from doing that. And I want to say thank you for checking out the video. Thanks for everyone supporting the channel always and just giving me so much feedback and love. I got people showing me love inside the Discord chats and different things like that. I'm in different Discord groups and I get noticed there sometimes when I post. But I want to say thank you for everyone that's checking out the channel. Keep supporting the channel, keep watching my videos. I'm going to keep dropping more content. I seen something that is super sick that I'm super excited about that's coming up, and I can't wait for that to be released to bring that to you here on this channel. And I want to say don't forget to drop a like on the video, you know, comment, let me know if you copped or if you were thinking about copping. And I want to say thanks again, appreciate you, peace out.